This is Programming Chapter 1, the Xcode specific version. You'll find Xcode on the dock. It might be a slightly different place on the dock, but look for this hammer and blue background. And you might want to put your name on the workspace. And you might want to load up Safari and go to my website. And you go to Programming. And the first sample is this, hello.m. So you want to create a new project, right click, new project. This will be an OS X application. Once we're finished with console applications, we'll move over to iOS. So command line tool. And you can put anything here. You can put Carson Graham. Just put in dummy.com. You'll only need a correct identifier if you're publishing to iTunes. And we'll just call this hello. And we don't need to create a Git repository. We'll discuss that later. And you can put it anywhere on your local drive. You won't be able to create projects on their network drive. And if you need to add a new folder, you can add a new folder. And click on main.m. And it already has your default hello world. And to run it, click on here. And it's finished, and it's also finished running. What you can do is set a breakpoint here by clicking. And running it, you'll see hello world, and it's on a console. And you can finish running by clicking the square. Okay, to see your project outline, click on this folder. Instead of hello, you can create this as exercise 1.1. And we'll create another project. And we'll call this exercise 1.2. And we can just click on here and create. Okay, we'll click on main. We'll go back to Safari. we want escape.m, and we'll just copy this piece of code and paste into here. So you'll notice that Objective-C is happy to use printf, or you can use Objective-C and use nslog. The only thing about nslog is you need the @ sign. What you'll notice is that the output prints out the date, time, and the source file, as well as the string that you're asking for. So if I save this, to switch projects, we just click on this one and click Run. And now we can see that it prints these literals without the date, the time, and the source code. It just prints it straight up. Okay, next one, new project. Call this exercise 1-3 and click on new work and create. Safari, close this one, open up the last one, simple function. And we want to copy all of this. Click on main and paste over all of this. And select the new program and run. And it happily runs over here. Okay, so change the code as necessary to make your program work. And that completes this Xcode lesson.